Early one morning, the ocean sparkled like a giant blue blanket dotted with diamonds. But not everything was peaceful. A pod of dolphins was chattering loudly near the shore, their clicks and whistles echoing like a watery orchestra. Something was wrong. One little dolphin, named Splash by the scientists who studied her, was stuck in a fishing net. She couldn't swim freely, and her family seemed worried, circling close to her. Why did Splash get tangled? And who could help her? Splash's home was the big, open ocean, a place full of wonders, swirling seaweed forests, colorful fish darting like rainbows, and mysterious caves hidden beneath the waves. Dolphins like Splash are incredibly smart, almost like the scientists who watch them. But this net was a problem she couldn't solve on her own. Fishing nets don't belong in the ocean, but sometimes people leave them behind by mistake. And when that happens, animals like Splash can get trapped. The stakes were high. Splash needed help quickly, or she wouldn't be able to swim to the surface to breathe. Far away on the beach, a group of rescuers spotted the pod of dolphins acting strangely. They knew something wasn't right. These rescuers were like ocean superheroes. They had boats, special tools, and a big love for all the creatures of the sea. They raced out to the dolphins, their boat bouncing on the waves like a skipping stone. When they arrived, they saw Splash struggling. The net was wrapped around her tail like a sticky spider web, and she couldn't wriggle free. The rescuers worked together like a well-practiced team. One person carefully leaned over the boat with a long pole that had a hook on the end. Another gently calmed the dolphins by making soft, splashing sounds, almost like saying, "It's okay, we're here to help." Splash's big, dark eyes watched them closely, her breaths short and quick. Would they be able to save her? Finally, after what felt like forever, the hook snagged the net. The rescuers pulled gently, their hands steady and careful. Snip, snip. They cut through the tangled nets. And then, with one last pull, Splash was free. She flicked her tail, testing it. Then, with a joyful leap into the air, she rejoined her pod. The other dolphins chirped and clicked, almost as if they were saying, "Thank you." As the boat headed back to shore, the rescuers felt proud but also thoughtful. They knew the ocean was a beautiful but delicate place, like a treasure chest we all share. They reminded everyone they met to keep the seas clean and safe for creatures like Splash. Back in the water, Splash and her pod swam off into the endless blue, their whistles fading like a happy song. And so, the next time you see the ocean, remember Splash's story. Even small actions, like picking up trash or using less plastic, can help keep the ocean a safe and magical home for dolphins, turtles, and all the amazing animals that live there. Because just like Splash's rescuers, we can all be superheroes for the sea.